relationship waiting not be. Can't tell me just saying so it be. You guys have known me for a very long time. I know the lie. I know if you call the lie, waiting man, know they do for me. I go call the tell when I say they do for me. Me, I know sabi live that kind of life. Then
you know they do something for man. You know they do something for man. You know this way go they buy gift for your husband every month. The one way they put you for house. Now so man, after not use your body do a shower for many years. Waiting man go enjoy for na body, una don't use her. Una not the shame. Waiting man, not they do for you. You know they do something for man. You know go do something for man. Oh, una don't lazy finish. None of una want work again. The one we don't feel work, you go run, go Germany. The one we don't feel run, you go run, go France. The one go look for free money. Make free money, paruna. You see, your mate know the work for Spain. Your man say you know if you follow you do content. Now call a theater in the house. Who be this one? When look who be this one? Hello? Eh? Won't listen to this foolish goats for do cyberspace. Won't listen to this foolish goats.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
What?
When self-love, you know, yeah, where una, you say self-love. Because
Okay.
one have few back here, no, all of na. You sure not that one not bena. Opiana work best, say, oh, amma, even not more amma.
Oh, Lord, yeah, more.
Oh, Lord, it better. Oh, we ain't what. Oh, yeah, quick when you mag go, I wow, eh. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni a gbọ́ tí ó pẹ́.
Ìjẹ́ ní pé mi lè yan ènìyàn náà nà àjàwò ní pẹ́ ní wà wà dáhùn yọ ẹ̀wé dáná.
Let me people they talk say, you know go cover for you know. I know if you cover for anybody, no. I know they cover for person. If I they pass through something, I they let people they know. Me, I know they pay now. Me be number one person we never carry my put for everything for this social media. No. What you want put up for everything for? You don't buy gift for me. I'll call like say buy gift for me. Man.
If you not buy gift for you, you don't go buy gift for her. Only man when they take off the house, he go pay her strength. He go feed 3 pick. He go feed you. You call social media because they do nonsense. Because they cost your papa, they cost your mama for social media. When you not supposed to pull out, you go to pull out. The man say me you come up for social media, you not going to come up for social media. Now you go call woman when not feel respect to your husband. Now man want put for house. Woman when not feel respect to your husband. When not a big great husband when they break. Okay. You know what? Make what you can for your quick before you know say he buy gift for you. You give 3 children. Whose gift pass that one? He give you 3 children. Whose gift pass that one? Man where they struggle to feed the family. He they struggle to feed the family. Your mates, all your mates will come out. They come out for you, go to chop aduro for that country. You don't get passports. Go check to single mother for UK. Or maybe you go Germany, go check to single mother. So that maybe you buy gift for yourself. Leave this man alone. See if you buy, make the house this man. How they want to call us on? Doctor go check what he buy you now. Now you don't put this. If they check what he buy you, not to kill, they'll go put you for where you belong to. I shall go will not get sense. No, they give it, don't people disgrace. No, they give people disgrace when they follow people they go so. No. It's not when I tell now for years, more than 5 years. And I go say Atiti don't know how to talk. More plan, more listen. More plan. Self mumu. You know, see, huh? Both go the true math. The all of way true math go palace, eh? Now soon our life will make reasonable. A life will work and useless. Eta bata. A life will work and useless if you. All this one, I shower where you go learn how to drink for along the road. All this one, when they take caca, they wake up in the morning. Now they call the tell people say they be presenters. Ashawo with drunk go to come, they'll say they be presenters. I just see the way people go they park. Go Izingbe wait there for wait the use country. If they use them, want to pay mortgage. As if they use Ashawo like a mate, want to pay mortgage. Wait they call they see they flag this video for now. Wait they call they flag this video now. No listen.
Man, not buy me car. I go use my money back. I'll call like say my husband back. Una they do, if una they do, I'm good for you. Me no. I don't live that type of a fake life.
What be your problem now? Come tell us your problem.
Me, I go still come tell you. I say, things don't.
Come tell us your problem now. Man, not buy car for you. Man, not do this one for you. Man, not buy gift for you. Man, not do this one for you. Man, not do this one for you. If man not do for you, do for man, man go love you. If man not do for you, do for man, man go love you. If man not do for you, do for man, man go love you. Not be only man they do for person. You see man, we carry you come up for a shower road. We they do a shower for American. The day we come up for American go Emmanuel house. Now 20 euro follow you come on. 20 euro now you see bring. Call Emmanuel house. You not even worry, no care. Now 1 week you want to spend, you can't spend 1 month. You can't carry belly. You not even drive you come on for the house. If they manage you, you get 3 pikin, 3 boys for that. So if they manage you, you don't worry. But your dirty character where your papa not teach you for house, where your man not teach you for house. Now you can't break come out. Before your sister-in-laws, they know they greet you again. It be like all people they run for you for social media. Now so you're waiting for marrying, and so they run for you. Is that not a shame to your part? If all people they run for you for social media, say you be evil. Where you for go marry now, your sister-in-law, they know they near you. Your sister-in-law, they come talk to me one time. They record everything they with me. They be saying when I carry come out for social media. Now I say no. Now they call carry go me Primo TV. They can't go me. Everything they with me. If you all see them for social media, where they judge now say their husband not do this one, their husband not beat them. Person where they beat it, the one with your husband senior. Self-love. No be bitter name. This one will be self-bitterness. Now this one self-bitterness. Very wicked woman. So I say and so. As Izingbe wait there for UK wicked. Ekia Queen. As Yore wicked. All this one are the Ashawo way wicked. I want start to mention their name for you. If you now wicked Ashawo way wicked. Self-love. Yore Omoze Uguelin. Easy Ogbedi. Ashawo way wicked. Now this one be Ashawo way wicked. If you be man, you follow all this one day for us, you will never get peace in your life. You will never get peace. Ashawo the drum man go down. If you see this self-bitterness husband now, it don't live finish. Self-bitterness husband don't live finish. Is he say husband don't live finish? You want wrong, come out now. Come to say if he buy na your husband allow. Now he dey buy your husband. More gonna go to donate money for self-love now. I know say that this one Ashawo wants start to donate money for. Is your body say they can't donate money for her now? Ashawo way their eye not they finish for another person money. Ashawo their eye not they finish for another person money. Oh. Now waiting master them for road with that one. They even they carry their second pint. They go Nigeria may not get money again. Their eye go there for their money. Ashawo now You know, see as their money. Yeah, this one I go come out self bitterness go say me they come donate for her. He want come out. You know if you coming for that line, check the rest of my line, mama. Check the rest of my line. When they plan first, one find your number. When they plan first.
God arrest all my home. I go hospital now. Me, I know they fear me. Anybody don't mock me right from time. I know they fear. I know they fear mocking. Now wait till they happen to be now I go talk. I know go fit call lie, can't tell you now say now so it be, will not be. So my sister, suffer is allow me make you rest. The time when you do video that time, me and you will be just listen to our differences. But I still say you want cause this allow me again. My sister, leave me alone. Leave me alone, my sister. You too, you will once in this type of situation. Before you cause the jam where they say you wipe your tears. Now so it be. Every disappointment for life. Sometimes I'm blessed to us, we know they know. We go they think say our own don't finish. Me where I dey here so I get a giddy hope. My own never finish. Now only who die. Now your own don't finish. So my sister, laugh me small, make you rest. There was never a time come paint my husband, give you say, he's a lovable husband, he said this, he said that. There was never a time. Check out my video from A to Z. If we, but I don't want me say, if I want to live, I know we still live. You get the point now. That's why I did live my life. Bye-bye, my people.
It is allow you so. Leave your husband when you come out. When you go outside. Outside food now. Outside food now. Not be people leave their husbands since then. Their husband kpai. You know kpai. If you leave the time we want to take kpai, go kpai. Asha will not stay for husband house now. Asha will they born for 3 men, 4 men. So you want to go count, you want to go born the rest children for another man. If you never born, your body not come down. And Asha will be now. Asha will not. You must go born for. You know see EOD. They say EOD they conceive now. EOD one born now. Asha will not they born for 1 man. They must born for 3 men, 4 men. The one way remain for your body now, where you want to go born for the other rest men, as my papa tell me say, I shall be another dog. Go born and now. What do you come? One come out. What do you come to cry for? What do you say? We can't do now. You're not now. You don't get character. You get dirty character. You want me mad? They obey you. If
I'm not okay, my people. In case anything happen to me, my people, me I hold this man where I deal with for us.
Shut up.
I just they try make I they bear all nonsense. Now.
If in case anything happen to you, may they hold the man with hold. There be police. There be doctor. Not be doctor go check you for hospital. If not buy you, they'll go put you for your 6 feet. If not touch you, they'll go put you for your 6 feet. For you to repair your character. You don't feel repair your character. Wetin man say you need. Do the thing, follow the man. Whether peace not go there for your home. Ashawo they feel too big. But the way you don't useless for Ashawo road. Now you call it they feel too big for man. Wetin they have affect Ashawo wolf and they break up for husband house. Una no want respect the man. Wetin the man say he needs. Una no want do one. And if una call this another place, you don't see the one way born for me. When he call this way go marry, he call the obey that man. You know, baby, oh. Now so this one be now. Your husband they tell you see what he like. You know fit do one for your husband. What your husband like now? You know fit do one. Now you say if anything, one will listen to this one. I shall not get sense. Why shall we not get sense?
Understand, my people. I'll do this video proof for you. All this men we deal with for Europe for you, they're not getting any help with they do for us. Ma go come for us. They go leave children. Leave everybody for us. They go discotheque and I say they not get.
They will go punish you. Man, not they go discotheque before. Man, not they come up for us before. Who they take off picking not be woman. Not be woman, they take off picking right from origin. Man, they come up for us in the morning. He go enter work. Sometimes if they come, he go enter beer parlor. Or sometimes he go see friends. He go call us around 7 in the evening and show me take me away for Benin. Not be lazy man waiting they sleep on our back today. Not be lazy man when they put for house. He will come up for us. Man will work till Friday to Saturday. You will say me not go discotheque. Now fine man, now you marry. Now tall man. He go, 6 hours not good for her. Peace not there for the house. You know if you give a peace of a mind. For him to dey for the house, the carry quarrel, go sit down for the critical day. He go drink himself, drink his sleep for that side. If you even rent hotel, stay for that side. On Monday, go come dress, go work because now you know, oh yeah, if fast not good for man. Or why man like poor 6 hours not good for him. He go go anywhere he want go. Self-love, buy. If you buy, if you know if they want carry you go as we go donate for me, they carry you go as because woman will know what respect his husband. Your husband don't tell you what you need. Your husband don't tell you say your mouth this maybe the brush. Maybe they wash your mouth. Your husband don't tell you say me not do live video again. Say me you they give disgrace to her. You they make the insult you they make the people they insulting. You know what me do for live video. You say me your husband must come join you for make they do content. You say your husband will come join you to do content. Your husband say you not go join you do content. Now be waiting to break quarrel for your self-love. Eh? The other day, now see the one where they happen now. You go the curse where you're not supposed to curse. Now your husband first for this one. Now the quarrel is serious now. Thank you for the gift. Thank you. God bless everybody for the gift. May God empower you in your life. Your heart desire be completed. You will not want married to a bad husband. A bad man will never marry to you. If you marry to a man, learn how to respect your husband. Your husband will respect you. And the house will be full of happiness. When you want to feel you are the mother of the house, you are the owner of the house, as a woman, you want to feel your husband was take control over, he must take your control, is where then you get it wrong. Man is the head of the house. If your husband will tell you, I don't like this, obey that man so that you have a peace in your life. Self-love. If you should respect your husband, you could not be crying in social media today. You have a peace in your house because you want to live that useless Oyibo life where they teach you now. You want to follow black man live. Black man will tell you say even though you get passports, if everything goes spoil, may spoil. Now if you don't spoil, now everybody go they regret it. If you don't spoil, finish pata, now everybody go they regret her. As it be so, you must see the end of this matter. When you see say you with man don't get quarrel for more than 1 year. Try to dance to the man tune. Not be you they feed the man, not be you they take care of the man. You want me the man they behave as other as a Monica to the husband they behave as well. You want to change this man to us, this tall man, this yellow man, you want to change that to us. They say I shall would spoil man. You want to spoil this man. You know, because he gets sister for Europe, more than 5 sisters. He get more than 5 sisters for Europe. They say lie you. Now you they cry, say your husband's sister know they greet you. Now you cause and way they know they greet you. Now they teach you younger girls where they come. Bad character. Self-love. You know what too late for you now. Go make your house. If you come up for the no man go put you for house. As some moment they go out to the church and follow everywhere. Some moment now come the advice of those girls. If man talk to you wrong, now come do at last. Because you now not good again. You now want to spoil other people. One way you will fit do a shower self-love. Man receive you, put you for house. You don't want to respect that man. How that man will respect you? Self-love. More look what he talk. More kuna tawata.
That's so we take the beer and they come. Anybody will go see me he swear for me, say you are a bad wife. Me.
Come, self-love, you be bad wife. Self-love, you be bad woman. Because they say bad woman, foolish woman, now the thing has scatter a house. Why the good woman go repair a house? For this your as far as me don't know, waiting they happen for that your house. Joy. Et joy no ye self-bitterness you van. Et joy no ye self-bitterness you van. Joy. No we at yourself mumu. As far as me don't know what they happen for that your house. They don't judge to me. And I they see your movement for live video. I they see your character for live video. Now you they offend that man. Go and respect your husband. Learn how to respect your husband. Learn how to go and find woman who go teach you a good character, how to respect man. Not go find woman who go teach you actual character for your husband. Now there you get it wrong. There are still women who can console you, who can make you, who can give you therapies to make your home to be a good home. That's if you want to listen. Don't come on social media to come and be bragging every day. My people, today I not come up for us. Nicer bed I want to come and relax because my leg, I want to relax my body, make my body straight to finish. Maybe 2 days or 3 days. Nicer bed there I go do all the day. If I don't come up for you and I go bath, I'll come inside this bed now. I want you there for 2 days. I dey work out for Sazuka, but now they see this self-love, this mumu, this akpaobobo. All those one now give themselves shame for this those cyber space. All this one come disgrace themselves, disgrace their husband, disgrace their family. Like easy of bed now, where they craze for UK. That one say me Asha will come donate for her. Who be people who want to donate for that one? Asha will like her. Now go donate. Reasonable person no fit go donate. Person wey don buy house for UK. Person wey get passport. Person wey do ashawo wey dey clap yansh. Buy house for UK. Now you want go dey donate your money for. You know see you before. You will want go give money now. Your husband over buy house. Your husband see they pay house rent every month. Now you want go give easy Ogbedi money. So easy Ogbedi. I know say me not talk your story. Come out the side of Edo. Come out for the side of story. Edo people come out of the side of story. You can talk your story. I get my own story. I follow Gedu Moto. I reach Europe, I do Gedu. I follow desert. The day of my zone, when they strike us, people cry for river. I get story. If I see why they talk my story, everybody will pass Libya, they talk their story. People will see story by where. But the one way me the come out a dome man for his side. Not be a dome man you born for. You born for Yoruba man, you deal with Yoruba man for house. If you not come out, now them with you will get problem. If you not come out a dome man, now them with you go work quarry. I not say you say easy everybody want to say the whole filling station waiting for Benin. Now Ashawo money before Ashawo they come Europe, they don't the big filling station for Benin. Before Ashawo they come Europe, they don't the big hotel for Benin. So me with you not get problem now. Where me with you go get problem? Come out. I not say me not talk your story. As madam, you take do Ashawo talk can. Now what you must talk? They say confess your sin, you shall be forgiven. All those ones will never confess, so with the claim say they be holy. They must come confess. Even though they did for 90 years. Confess your sin, Ashawo. Confess your sin, Ashawo, you shall be free. So, I not say me you not confess your sin. I not say me you not talk your story. But the part where me the quarrel put, what I want make people understand. Come out a domain for his side. Now you're a bad man you born for. You can talk your story. Like me now, my story, when I started one Mario Sazo Wigi. As I wanted Mario Sazo Wigi, carry and come house. But when I say pass Morocco, as I take do Gedu, as I take do everything, I get my own story. Sazo Wigi get your own story, where all of us go join together, we'll talk. But come out a domain for his side. Before Ashawo they come Europe, we don't see filling station for Benin. You feel bring a many. I want more to tell you, Betty. The Ashawo money we did for hotel for Benin. May come bring the hotels, come out more cause the owner at the time. Whether Ashawo build them for them. So not be that one I call for now. Is more come to this one. This self-love where they cry every day. So no woman for those cyber space now. We fit sit down for 2 days, give this woman sense. You know the okay, me will come give this woman sense now. I will come give her sense for my next video when I dey come out now, self-love. You know, say woman will say no go respect her husband. Peace no the day with her for house. Any woman will say want do saying to no for man. And mostly the man don't balance, he don't get document, he don't get deficit with the day worker. Now you go lose her. This man so very young. If this man leave you now, there are many young women in this Europe where go see cry, follow this man. But in your home, before you see man, we go put you for house. All the old men don't know you for live video. Both the one waiting for his house, they don't know you. The one way one come toast you self-love. He want come, what fake care you way 2 times or 3 times. Make the love nobody tell, but they go wrong. When you don't sleep with you today, sleep with you tomorrow. When you go to call and next, they go say they're busy. Or why he don't take your own share, he don't miss. If you don't know. Your husband, you don't like live video, they call me, they tell me, you with your husband, family, all of them, we sit down for WhatsApp. When I go see the way the man take talk, I not can't leave the man. Self-bitterness. Wait, take self-bitterness, no ya you van. Enjoy. Larry, Iman is with Nira. Yes, with Nira ban. Yes, with Nira ban. Hello. Hello. I don't know how to answer the request.
Because I did do everything for his body. I'm trying to give myself happiness.
Shut up your mouth, self-love. You are trying to give yourself happiness. To not respect your husband. Ask man when they pay for the house rent. Will they talk to them verbally as they talk to the rest people for live video? Self-love. If you not take on, go repair your house. If you not go loyal to your husband say you don't want to deceive you for social media again.
Now me be self-love.
Now you be self-bitterness. Joy. Now you be joy. Now you be joy. You not be self-love. You not get love for yourself. Even treat the way you born for your house, you not get love for them. You not get love for them. Go see them. Your husband, sisters, 5 of the 90 for Europe. You with anyone on the play. Not be as people they run for you for social media. Not be say your husband brothers they run for you. Your husband sister they run for you. All of them. We talk for WhatsApp. When the sister no answer them, now they can go meet Primo TV. Now they can call them. Because I see and say a family matter. I don't want to bring the comment, they come they talk for live video. But I want all the think and they chop you before. I say, they don't tell me finish. I say, why worry? I'll take on the solo you. I'll take on the solo you. I'll take on the solo you. They say they want one, make me come out for live video. That's a family matter. I don't know if you come live video. It's a family matter. But if you not leave me when I take do as I want to do so. If you don't want year, I'll take on the solo. I don't know where the information they pass they come. I go the knock on. They say they know that they want you to come out and tell the whole world. No plan. No plan.
I am on a survivor mode. Ma go dey try me they add the joy your sorrow. You go tell ma. I felt tell on wait happen in the afternoon. Ma go want say make you dey bear all the rubbish way that they do you for his body. You go shed tears. Ma go tell you make you shut up while you dey cry.
You not see your woman. You go tear, waiting they make you the cry. Where your husband go say why you the cry. Waiting they make you the cry. Self-love. Only woman will not get sense. Now go come to support you. This word where you talk about for man, woman will get sense. He need to advise you. Self-love, what did they do with your husband don't like? What did your husband they quarrel for? They go ask you question, you go tell them. If not better women don't tell you, this is the way your husband say you don't like, not do them again. If you feel get treated for your pikin do something, you say what you not do, what you do may not do one, your pikin not do one. How your husband of it tell you say this thing you don't like her? Me you see stop her. Who be this one? You go on over there now. You go on over there now. You go on over there now.
Only one new generation.
Me boku ni je.
Ona no wena wa gbewe fuada o police we. Uwe train he honeymoon ne abede no we train he on.
Imagine was it there. I think imagine ukari. Even if I wouldn't, oh, when I know no straight if we case ya baby. Ya ba mo ye with him we. Iyo ni nye kuna ya fefe yo to.
Even no was we ka wa ya mo mere ye bucket ne o fi amboliki you we ko vi we die.
Okay, you are new way and never West Side you to case
Oh masse, we wa gbewe fa o gavangi ogo na o de zuzu.
You do have to go relax. I will go there.
Whatever self-love. Self normal self ne self mumu. Ye ma mi iye ize suse. Ye ma mi ropa.
Abi?
We yere wo pono la de di o wo di do ta we yan de poto we am ari wa.
I want to run here. I want to run here.
Iye ligue di o family. Oh,
Abi?
it done no wa can come always stay away from Monica. Oh, you were do Rude Monica, you were do to any more boy, more one wa value, mota one wa circulate lele yakin. Ye me me ropa. Wa me me hi episu bekedera de ye me me. Okay, I got ketty de yeti.
Kakabo?
Ti all the whole world do that yen back when we yen by mava. No place no hiding place for the wicked. O manegwan emi roiko. Ye me o izeri oja o ga ize suse sote otobo erebe ihoe okun epa eri o ga yene.
Owe wa. O dan no.
So ni watalo na ni me gbe kan do atalo mayamo la na explain me me ni explain ba. Abako ni yo bi yen si ologo yen.
Abi?
Abako no yo boy si ologo. So it is just the beginning. Ye me mi ropa. Ye ga izeri oja yo ho no do ni. Ebi no do ni. Igi kwa. E wa gi yan wa kwa me gbe kan ba ma ko ke ma re.
Kakabo? Kakabo?
E ko continue John you we.
About your why? Iyan mu iyan ra go e kwa so pa. Again na useless self love now. O meme no. O meme.
Uwe ni jenania. O wiye de edima wa ma no ma edima hin. O ma no ma edima hin.
Kakabo?
Based on the investigation because no you me him in bizu gbe ni me mana ze yin ever since that time. O ma no ma edima wa hin. Iyan wa un dan ruwe. O mo 7 wa temo popa we di mama. Even a pastian settle na egbe wo pastian.
Oh no, lu bi ade una luta ko bi ade gbe ma de gani ni. Obi ade wa zo boy mu na different wa like club.
Ya gba mi dokpa ne pastian ya settle.
Kakabo?
So even no so no ba me information ri yan pe no si me table for years. Because me ma be let it down ba me mo no gbe that na how we 30.
Okay,
We just let it down.
It da fo ri lati on wa. E che mi la da fo wa. Ndun dan self love.
We have a me stress or be wa ni see high low or stress or be wa because it winner no mo nya ho hia ni bobo we ya bon nya.
Be na kwa na ye we self love gi le wa. O wa le ba gi de gbe no ya ni yen Facebook.
Gbogbo we meteme owe be do ase akpita ni owe no ma omwemi ati eyere ori epo gbo. Okay ye me boya wo go wi ye me ro pa me bo we meteme debi no yi wo wai
We no ya hu ni ya ne no pia vore we bu hospital ye we amu we fi on to
winere obu ye me
o meme no o meme igbo ma ko e California ni pe wa da me yo ni pe
the city where Osula Piki Osula what they call this guy Jackie. Wait till do a wife did the complaint for his airport say I not dey okay. I want go hospital. Your husband force and say they go.
Uwe to la gbo
Ye
ba
wa
gbo.
de ne mi Atiti. No mi
Eh
owu owo wa emi ya no sunu. O i wa ze
eh
va o ge o wa va o ge no wa ji
uwe
yan pe.
ati tu wa kin agbo duwe ga re wa wo complain. When I re wa wo complain o we gbo wa gbo. Wa sun wedene woro wa. Ya dolu ni we go and repair your character. Uwe character you makoko era makoko. If you want to enjoy man in your life, learn how to respect a man. Most will not be an opiane. If you never born for a man, you feel use that your dirty character for the house. Once you do the born, man don't fit tolerate your dirty character, they tolerate the trade picking. Now be problem will happen to you so. Self-love. If women dey, we will give you therapists. Nobody greedy near you now because the person near you, they go record them. All of them they run for you. So your own village where you did for them, let it that. Nobody they enter your house again, all those women. Okay, because you ain't wound down.
Kometasi. Owe se fokpo. Kometasi ni bu make e fun.
Don't be self-love. Joe, one of the
Owe se
writer Joe,
fokpo.
one of the writer Joe.
La wo. Kometasi.
Okay, now self bitterness come.
Wait, that woman take good die for his
Oh, when you have a walk, self bitterness again, no
Try
self
to
love.
divorce. In case anything happen to me, my family, my friends, loved ones, then I would what I do. So,
You know they cry.
Yo, we got here where they be no me. A
You know they
love
cry.
kama worry na. A
Self
love
bitterness,
kama.
waiting.
A
Self
kama.
bitterness, waiting. They beat you now. I'm a VSC if they don't sleep well.
Na be
Now,
love kama.
if they not depend, I be love come on.
No niya.
Okay. In this zone, you know, we don't understand when you're able.
Ye do ni yata, ye do ta.
So, I'm a VSC, Obama Yasi.
Be
If you
we
don't
me
sleep
pen.
well, now you want to take draw. Now be waiting to worry you. You get happy home before you come social media.
Be we me.
You was living with your husband or something on address, go church, now deliver. When you start to do live video, your husband show up to 2 times or 3 times. When your husband say you don't enter your head, you don't decrease for social media, the man start to run away from you. Till today, when did you call it now? Your husband say me block all the whole
now if
page.
they look and say get 5 feet,
He say me block the whole page, everything you come up for social media.
Even the page yen me go but woman go be so la there we are demonetizing.
Okay. Now, what do you call the people for social media now? Your mate where they work, no, if they bring 20 euro, bring 30 euro for you. Self-love, go work. Or since you know say you know they get money, now make you the misbehave for social media. Carry your bag, go chop at Euro for Germany. Then they pay single mother
Eri
for
o
them.
wa se.
Tell them say you be single mother. Carry your bag, go France. Go tell them say you be single mother. May you forget peace, may you for not buy.
Even be by yourself make it go that they pay.
May you go, then they pay, may you not go buy. You say that this man buy you.
That they pay for Victoria, that they pay for San Sebastian, pay for Pamplona, make it carry it back go there.
oh man, evil, evil. People wait they back in family, all of them, the supporters say it too fine, say
You know,
fine.
we are look and so. You be adore your time no hone.
You not get sense as my so.
Or what look and so.
That way I deal with so.
Eh? You say the man not get sense.
Yeah, take away social media go you are social media. Social media can not back here.
You say the man not get self-love. You say family, all of the different parties too fine. When I play them analytic, when I play them, you say family, all of the different parties too fine. Say not be this kind of woman go marry because your character.
Well,
Your character, you display to them. Now me they tell you not be person like you go marry. Self-love. Go repair
she
your
they
character.
work oh. Which work?
Who be that?
Who they work for among the husband and be wife? Which one?
Your husband they work. Your husband don't they work. They work.
Oh, my mom, always she they work, meaning always self-love they work.
Self-love no start working. Nobody, you don't feel work 2 days. You don't feel work. They don't drive on.
Ah,
Otherwise, when I have win and I win a winner go now. I'm not telling you.
yeah.
Only I receive a call. See when I have win.
Only a love nemesis, money a big campunia.
Only I receive call see when na who.
So you're not going to see. Atiti, what you get with one?
Whether to tell do with Betania, I ain't who see when I receive call na who. So what get back here? What get done here?
When you go to Atiti, one of Spain.
What
Una
told
fit
you?
dey look as a girl,
Domo.
but
What
very
told you?
evil man. Evil.
The self-love I we.
People wey dey wait.
If una fit dey look and find man, na evil man, evil. Now you be evil. If you no want listen to your husband, you go yoya.
Ryoka ego Ryoka
No be
ego vasete musician na gogo.
this one. Now Ovie Donese says no be Yoruba Igbo, no be Gogobiri o. Now see your man we go marry tomorrow. If he come out to this self-love, women wey see dey for those cyber space still talk. E no go toast. It's on day wey no go toast wey go pack low go put for your house. So now you want lose. Now you not repair your house. Now you not fabricate your
No
house.
tiredness.
Now you not repair your house.
Aye, when no mome bo beji, mome bo Paris. When no why be one.
Oh no, the friend we brush. Oh the friend
Ife.
we what we are. Oh we in taloni pe wo yen. We so we me opa ni yen o. We prophet Atiti take go egun. E de le ga gun egun. Iyan keke family egbe gbo me. Iyan gbe ni la de ni mo e live video na wa o. Iyo ri an so le we gbe. Iyan na yemuge pramo obodo. Iyan na ya agun obodo. Imo ni ti mo la de na ti fi ko aso le we gbe. Ni e ke ni information lari ife ko aso le iyan wo ni wa mo la de. Iyan do gbe ni gbina bi bayi. Iyan ri mo ge pramo ni a. Wọ́n máa gé ọ̀nà gé làdìyàn ẹ̀yìn náà ìlà wa èyí àti wà fẹ̀lẹ̀ ọjọ́ mú sí yàn ní ọtí ọ̀dà fún yẹn mú yàn á tó gbìnà bí báyìí. Ìyẹn máa gèrè ohun tán kò náà ṣe self-love náà ohun tán gẹ̀yìn orí àpò náà máa tán náà gẹ̀yìn ọba yànyànyànyànyànyà gbé pẹ́ẹ́tì yìí kò kápí. Wàgá dàmì èyí náà ta wàgá dàmì yọ.
The day back in family, all of them, the supporters say he too fine, say na fine boy. But the boy not get sense. He not get
Can
sense.
you imagine?
Ọmọ mẹ́bọ̀ say David no get sense. You say the man wey born for no get sense. The one wey born for me, he wants to tell for one platform. He say I don't get sense. Now so we know the get, you don't get the time we dey get.
Ìwé náà mome bo ya imi ọ̀dọ́, ọmọ náà imi ọ̀dọ́, wiki na te fo ya de gbe latiane.
Wọ́n ti gbé yàgì wọ́n gẹ̀ ban.
Uhe ihe mu,
Wọ́n na
uhe
sí one thing.
sọmọ bọ́ni. Uhe ihe mu latian.
Okay, wọ́n na sí one thing now. You say your husband fine, you no get sense. Your mama say that man fine, no get sense. But I won't say I fine, no get sense. No man dey get sense for going on deal. No one respect man. If you respect man, you go see the beautiful of a man in your life. If you with your family of your husband, all of them dey fight every day now. No one dey follow the play out of 4 of the way dey for Europe. No one will you fit call when you carry your phone. You know say you be evil. You know say you be bad head. A self-love fake account where we are now. First self-love, you come with your fake account. You want call the listing for you. You decrease, you wear. Nick Beckham. That place there they sweet me.
Many Benin men, they try to do us. In case anything happen to me, my family, my friends, my loved ones, man, I hold this guy where I deal with some.
Wagwa akpa bobo. Wabagno. Ukido a disgrace order from Republic yata le kweme yopanike yibiedo ya no to tari yagbe. Uma ewe o nisan wega hui. Wabagno.
You see, self-love, make you shame your shame. They shame yourself. If anything do you, you don't get family for Europe. You not get friends for Europe. Everybody na your enemy for Europe. Nobody will carry phone call you and say one ask you question. No, they because with your dirty character. Now, what you want to talk? This boy, this your husband get almost 5 brothers for Europe, but be 7. Now only him be the boy where they get for the family. There's no time. If you don't respect those family, you don't respect them. There's no time when you fit to marry their brother. You don't even respect your husband. You want to take your husband come on for their body. You don't feel respect your husband first. You not show your husband love. Now, even if you show your husband love, now you go live on his sisters, come to shake hands for the for father's son. You know they respect your husband. You know they respect the family. Who they say who want put you for house? For this your dirty character. Who saw that man want put you for house again now? Tell me, who saw that man go put you for house? You come on live video. Live video that cost that be waiting cost quarter with you with your husband. This live video where they do so. This live video where they do so. Now be waiting bring quarter for you with your husband. And waiting bring a quarter for Omome Bo with David. Omome David you go dey follow down, so down. Why be say una no dey respect man? They say na man I be the head of the house. Man go dey talk to una. Una so na own want to do something. Where you go just scatter. All of una go dey regret. Eh? I should be now self bitterness, a joy. When we not joy. Oh, your house now where you did now, you feel repair. You feel repair. Now there's a woman, now be repairer of house. You feel repair. Your husband will love you, he will like you. You don't never come on for the same house now. Maybe the man know the sleepers now. Weekend, he go dress come out. Go where a man go reach ground. He no need quarrel for the house. Another day, he go work, come back, sleep, table, come out. The man go they come. Plate go full everywhere. You no go wash ground, you no go clean ground. House go the smell. Tell me how that kind of man want to know say na woman he marry. The time we will take wash ground, you dey for live video. The time we will take clean house, you dey walk out for street, they do live video, they go. The man don't complain, don't tire. I've got seen a man, wait, no one can talk for live video. If this man got talk for live video, you don't spend 2 days before you buy yourself. You know that one. If this man can't sit down, he don't teach up on live video. They look, hey, nobody where this man know they look. Oh. If he can't talk, you disgrace. All the old women go shame. If the man can't talk, all the old women, they don't put me for line. Not be waiting they talk like. Before when you come, I'll call the cousin. They don't put me for line with the sisters. They say when I come out, make they talk. Now I say no. I saw say this woman.
Married woman will be saying her.
I saw say this woman sit there for a house. No. They say what could happen, may happen. If their brother want go jail, he could come out for jail. Now I say no. Say if you buy now the man buy you. I take buy you. Now Europe will do so. They'll go do oxygen. When they do oxygen, they say nobody buy you. They'll go put you for where you belong. Yeah? This one we call it talk for life. You don't say if anything do you. You do increase the follow of the quarrel for the man heart. When you don't do that man for this do cyberspace, there's no wait time with this man say he won't trust you again. You don't say you don't lose that trust. Now you cry now. Not the way they do when they please the man again. You know, now make you cry now. You know what man be so bomb my house I go woman. Foolish woman go take and repair house. Why the useless one? They target 2 men, 3 men where they want bomb for. No, but the same character we you sabi for this man house now. Now you want to see rich on that place. Now you see rich and not let person deceive you. If you that man. You self-love now, if you can't jam one man, you know if you tell her what you do for your husband also. Now what did the man do? Now you go to talk. You want to put blame for the man head. See now you they put blame from the man head. When you go insult palace 3 days ago, what did happen for your house? Come tell us. What did this man take your eyes do? Now that day when I start to quarrel again, they come again now. Not gonna start to quarrel, they come again. Not be that day. Now that gonna start to quarrel, they come. Eh? They, you, they, I will bone where I'm more self-love. They think that women because if you no boom and no, you will wait me. And I know you will wait me, my your craze go come self-love where you talk. All the days you have not the why you will follow my day for her. You not get the time when you have they find for face. Everything everything that can man you think he could be with you for us. He go the wrong for you. If you want to talk, you know the stuff is the talk. No. How man that kind man go marry you? Now man the shout, not be woman the shout. If man the shout, woman will say, calm your voice. Calm your voice. Okay, taye. I will go no dem retire. Yeah, come and listen to yourself. What gift in him and Orema? Make una press. Even though not give me gift, people will come here. Wanna give the gift. I beg you. Moku listen.
But very evil man. Evil. People wait they back his family all.
You the call husband where you born for a very evil man. But for you, where we don't know you for a do cyberspace, the way you take the design people, the way you take the destroy people. Meaning that if you call your husband evil, wait till you can be Chataros. If you call your husband evil now, wait for a start, you know say, you know what pull life for person head once. Now you will turn the quarrel for his ass. If you will come the carry person, waiting not for person body, they put for this and those cyberspaces where we know you. Who can be evil with your husband? You want to bring your husband down, may you take find faithfulness. May you take find pity. Now so now they do arrive from time. Where we may start to come out now. All the home men will come to start to come out for live video to say, get a boa. Bona go judge to for woman like una, they go support una. So it's not there for that one again. You hear? The craze that will punish you. You want give this man disgrace. You know if you get a disgrace for where I did. You only can't disgrace yourself. You hear? Move the go. Useless woman.
All of the supporters say he too fine, say na fine boy. But the boy not get sense. He not get sense as my sense. I'm not okay, my people.
All of your husband, brother, all of your sister, they support him. Here where do was so be your eye. Or a ganyo, you got him who you me, got him who you me. Here do was so be your eye. The way you take the treat the man for his house, your family not like him. So you cannot treat that. You cannot see. You go and learn. Find women where see good. Women see good for this. If you know what we locate them, only say they go they fear me, you not record them. Because now so quarrel this men follow you. They go teach you how to stay for husband house. Because the time when they're supposed to teach you for house, you did 12 years. When they carry you come American. Madam will carry you come American, I know. The madam, I felt friend and when I come this country. Madam will carry you come American. Me we shall see they talk today. Now so you not get character, so you not get character. Husband has in office state today. If they share and they go. I think I played for almost 1 year. You don't go carry give another person now for Barcelona for that side. If they share and they go the same way you consider the share for us. Who's one guy, man? Maybe I move. Now you be that one. So 5 euro, you can walk. You see man from Musia to your place, let leader to your place, not far. 20 euro now follow you go down my house. Now, una they live in a life simple. Since then they come. Now when social media come, call the enter in our house. Man when the girl say see what he need. If now you be the man where they are just now, If you don't feel better and follow you, he go park, come up for the house. He go park. But the man wait the house. He say he no need them. He said the way you tell you cost people. You not tell and say that that's what you want to do. You say you want to go to play for social media. But now, matter when no concern, you go put them for head, they'll come to insult her. Matter when no concern, you go put them for head, they'll come to insult her. Say you know fit or later, me give me you quit, come on for live video. See the other day, now 4 days ago, you go talk to your papa house. Now the man verse again. What did he do you for as that day? Can't tell people what he do you. He put phone for speaker, put for phone for pocket. We start to deal with you. In case anything they happen, may see family run come. As they put and they connect me for line, they listen. Bad evil woman. This one I go say he be motivational speaker. In they motivate people. Now people like him, evil people now want motivate. Useless people. I try to tell you now, you single girls when they come newly now. When I know you look at this woman, see they pet their face, they be evil, they destroy. If this one don't be for social media more than 5 years. Social media they repair person house. If they do presenter, as he call himself, he know if he take social media repair house, he's a useless fool. People correct their mistake with social media. Most of these people, they correct their mistake with social media. As I talk, people will say, don't know the truth I talk. If you know if you correct your home with social media and what your husband say you need, you know if you do and fail, really you are a failure. You will fail forever. Self-bitterness. They say woman we do the bitter. There's no remedy where you go put. It's good not to marry a bitter woman in your life than to go and marry a bitter woman. When you marry a bitter woman, you will regret all the days of your life. This man they regret today. A man they regret when they make him carry joy put for house. The man don't do all possible things. We go take make him to be better woman. Not do now the man. Now so the man do in hand. Or what but maybe raw, maybe raw. The man don't please him. Tired the way go take change. Now what he talk today, now they talk tomorrow. Now what he talk tomorrow, now they talk next tomorrow. He say family support him. When you want by their brother, they don't go support him. May you go buy them first. May you go buy them first. Before you know say they not support him. Self-bitterness. Self-bitterness. Not call this war for live video again. You say your husband people like him. Say the man too wicked. If the man wicked, what do you see they do for them? For your wickedness, when me don't see. What do you not concern you for social media? Now you pull mat. What do you not concern you? See the other day, our royal house, the mother when he come from there, our mother, he give person gifts. What do you come concern you for inside? You can't insult your mama. You can't insult your family. Person give person gifts. If they do well, he like him. Maybe the watch I see what they present, he like him. King they look people for this those cyberspace. They got people who they like. Once they feel your call and say, wanna call this picking for me, you go give a gift. So not be you go come tell person see what he go do, see whether he does share food for market women. He don't do that for market women. We get government. It's the position of government. If you don't know, I'm telling you today. Now because we get failures as a government. We get failure as a president. They failed us. Let me call of us for Europe so. Now people we don't lead, we don't control as a president. They failed us. Our sisters waiting for Europe today. They're supposed to be on school. But because of our government, now we'll come to blame our papa. Our papa not take off us. Papa will not get work. I want to take off picking. You know they. Now when he come, now papa go tell say picking. Mo try this one. Now make all of una. Many of una come there for Europe. Now government, una go dey blame. Now when una time, una don't come Europe. Can't do work when una not supposed to do. Una don't dey feel am. What una supposed to do? Una start to blame the government. Because una papa no get work, government no dey, Europe wey una dey here, everybody dey work. Month go complete, they go receive. But una papa, only una mothers, when una papa go strong, go bring money come out. Some of una mama start to receiving gogyo. From receiving gogyo, e come upon another business for that Benin because our government failed us. Since 1960, we have not been able to have a good government who can govern us, who can president us. Now I can't blame una papa. No, the government. So only we are not blaming una papa. They're supposed to born the one with the feet train. They're supposed to born the one with the feet train. 2 or 3, 1 they go born. They'll not say now only that one they born. Now if the advice when I go to give people within Nigeria now, when I know as our government be, when I not born too much again, when I for fit capable take off the children. Now the advice when I go to give them. So if your papa support your mama, it take carry you call Europe. Now because say the government fail. Other Yoruba they do what you say na crime so. You know I mean Yoruba day for UK, wait for London, wait for Spain here. Where madam say carry con, they're plenty. They had their own. Igbo people, they had their own. For back with those days, Igbo people with these people now start that place. But they had their own for body. Where come be soon now? Oh my banedo. Where come be soon now come to another one? Now they blame una mother. Now government fail everybody.